You're driving down the highway, listening to your favorite music, and all of a sudden, something hit your windshield. You're left with a crack right in the middle of the glass. That's not a good situation to be in. When you're not sure if the damage needs a repair or replacement, Southwest Auto Glass can help determine the right action for you with upfront pricing and quality service. We have a team of experienced and well-trained windshield technicians whose mission is to assure every windshield is fixed safely since 1992. Be it on-site or in-shop service, we offer fast, accurate, and reliable same-day service with lifetime warranties in writing. For a quality glass, chip, and windshield repair or replacement, give us a call or visit any one of our locations. We cover Las Cruces and Alamogordo in New Mexico or El Paso in Texas. Visit southwestautoglass.com or call 915-595-4444 to get in touch with us today.